Another day, another English lesson. Delexical verbs. When we learn English, we usually think of verbs as action words. We say things like run, eat, sing, or sleep. These verbs tell us directly what is happening. But in English, there's a special group of verbs called delexical verbs. These verbs don't carry much meaning by themselves. Instead, their meaning depends on the noun that comes after them. Common delexical verbs include have, take, make, give, do, and get. By themselves, these verbs are very general. For example, take could mean pick up and carry, but in take a shower, it doesn't mean carry, it means have a shower. The verb loses its full meaning and simply works together with the noun to form a common expression. Why do we use them? Native speakers use delexical verbs all the time because they make expressions smoother and more natural. Instead of saying I performed a bath or I created an attempt, we say I had a bath or I made an attempt. These sound natural because the verb itself isn't very important. The noun gives the main idea. A helpful way to think about them. You can imagine delexical verbs like a connector. They don't bring much meaning on their own, but they connect smoothly to nouns that carry the idea. For example, do homework, not make homework. Take a break, not do a break. Give advice, not say advice. By learning these common pairings, your English will sound more natural and fluent. Now watch and complete the sentence with the correct form of a delexical verb: have, take, make, give, do, or get. One, she always does her homework after dinner. 2, please give me a hand with these heavy boxes. 3, I hope to get a ticket for the concert tonight. 4, you should make a list of things to pack for the trip. 6, she had a headache yesterday, so she stayed in bed. 7, we need to do the dishes before we leave the house. 8, the doctor will give you some advice about healthy food. 9, I made a mistake on the test, but the teacher let me fix it. 10, let's take a photo in front of the museum. 11, I usually have breakfast at 7:30 before going to work. "12. He is tired, so he wants to take a break for 10 minutes. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.